folks, welcome back to another lesson. We're doing Celebrity Skin by Hole. Haven't done any Hole songs before, I don't think. This is the first one. And it's a fairly easy one to start the week off with, I think. And gear-wise, just get yourself your favourite drive pedal. I'm testing out this new boost pedal to see how much gain it's got in it, and it's got enough for this, which is great. So the intro and verse starts like this. 2, 3, 4. Like that. It plays that 3 times. 4th time, just lets it ring out. So you are playing an A, a C sharp, an F sharp. Okay, so you're going to do 2 and then a rest. Then you go up to this power chord, 4th fret on the A, and then 2nd fret on the E string. 2, 3, 4. Like that, pretty straightforward. 3 of those, as I say, and then the 4th time, you leave it ring out. Chorus part is cool. It's 2 sections. You've got 2 of these. You've got something along those lines. So that is a D5 with A in the bass. And you're going to do down, 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 up, off, change. Like that. And then you go to the A, right? When you go to the A, it hangs over. So it's up, up, down, down, up, down. Then when you take your finger off, there's 2. It's just an incidental little, bit before you go back into the D5, okay? 2 of those, then you go to this, F sharp. So you play down, 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 up, slide, up to the 5th fret. That hangs over into the next bar, so 3, 4. And then there's a little chromatic run on beat 4, okay? And when you get to the 10th fret, you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Like that. That's most of it. There's a couple of little other bits, but in terms of structure, you're then going to do 4 times around the verse. 2 with the bar of rest, like that, then 2 with it ringing out. Into the chorus. Then you're going to go into this clean part. So you're going to play this 3 times. Like that. And there's an accent on the 3rd, 8th note of each chord, right? It's A to D, basically. With those open strings. Then you move your 3rd finger up 1 string, and you're going to play that 0, 7, 5, 0. So it's quite economic in terms of moving your fingers, right, for the chord change. You've got that stuff going on. So you're going to do down to the F sharp. It's minor this one though, because you're going to play Again with those two accents, right? Then back around, slowly. You do 3 of those. On the 4th time, you just go down, up, down, up, up, down, up. All right. So that would be. That would be that transition, right? The other guitar part's just playing some arpeggiation, which is. You got that, right? So we have. Just that 3 times, and then. And it goes to this. F sharp minor, okay? And the same goes for the 4th time round. Okay, back in. 2, 3, 4. Another bar of rest. Brings out again. Back around the chorus. All of that stuff. Back into the clean part again. You know, into that, and then the 4th time is, and you end with, and you play that 4 times, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.